वो यो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल विब्स वर्ल्ड। आई एम इन 12th एंड 12th का मतलब ये होता है वी वांट फेयरवेल। और सॉरी मतलब बोर्ड्स भी होता है, बट फॉर मी पासिंग 12th वाज इक्वल्स टू फेयरवेल। बट ड्यू टू दिस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन माय स्कूल टुक मनी फ्रॉम अस एंड गेव इट बैक। नो sit at home, so I'm just sitting at home and you all should too. But like what the hell, I'm gonna celebrate my own farewell at home and make some memories which I will see when I will get old. Probably it's not a good idea, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I've never been to farewell. Last time जब मैं 11th में थी और मैंने 12th को farewell लिया था, तब हमें हमारी क्लास से निकाल दिया गया था. So I don't know what to do on farewell. And you know from whom to ask to. Google Baba, Wiki how. We gonna ask Wiki how to celebrate farewell. Wiki how. Okay, so first thing is pick a theme. हमें theme की चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है because हमारी theme होगी जुगाड़ू theme. We just want to celebrate our farewell. I'm not gonna spend money on it. So the second thing they are asking us to do is select a location. And I got a perfect one. This will be a perfect location. See there, here is UFO and here is the lights और यहाँ पे हमारा स्टेज होगा. दोस्तों हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है, हम इस स्कूल को फाइनली छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, फ्रीडम से जिएंगे अपने कॉलेज में. यहाँ पे तो तुमने हमें पिंजरे में कैद करा हुआ था. मेरे इमोशंस बाहर निकल रहे हैं. I don't like to go to school. Number 3 is send out invitation. Dear Vibhuti, we are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted for Vibhuti's home farewell party 2021. We will look forward for your presence. Regards, Vibhuti. Yes, I'm so excited. अपने आप को देके अपने आप ही खुश होना पड़ता है. क्या लाइफ आ गई हमारी. But it's better than that school farewell, I guess. In I guess school farewell, we have to just do, dear God, be with me through this day. Number 4 is ask for contribution for gifts. चलो भाई भीख मांगने का टाइम आ गया है. रोकड़ा निकालो, रोकड़ा फेयरवेल के लिए. मम्मी रोकड़ा निकालो. वन्ने मन्नी मन्निया. आपने मुझे क्या दिया है बहन? हेलो, आई वांट मन्नी मन्नी मन्निया.
कार्ड दे दिया और क्या चाहिए तेरे को?
क्रेडिट कार्ड का मैं सिर पे मारूंगी. आई वांट मन्नी मन्नी मन्निया. पासवर्ड बता देना, ठीक है? थैंक यू. आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग मनी, नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज असाइनिंग रोल्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू असाइन यू ऑल रोल्स. डेकोरेशन विल गेट डन बाय विभूति. तालियां. Food will get arranged by Vibhuti. Talia. Gifts will get prepared by again Vibhuti. Talia. Everything will get prepared by Vibhuti. Talia. I'm one women army though. So next part is decoration, and for that I got no location for decoration as well as no talent as well. But I got this place. I'm gonna click my pictures here with this white background because I wanna look like my mother. I will just post a picture here. The decorations and all is not my cup of tea, you know. Next part is organize the food, and you know I'm the master chef. Have you ever eaten my food? You're probably gonna die. It's the diet. I don't cook good. Is there anything I can do good? Nothing. I can't cook, but we can go downstairs and buy some food for us, which we will use for our party. I'm done with my mask. ये मेरे घर का मॉल रहता है K-pop song पूरा टाइम. I'm gonna take my bag and we will go. A lot of people were asking me for my boards कि वो कैसा गया यार. मैं तुम्हें बताना चाहती हूँ मेरा बोर्ड हुआ ही नहीं. It got postponed. और मैं literally घर पे बैठ के बोर हो रही थी. मेरे को ब्लॉग बनाना स्टार्ट करना था. And here I am starting my YouTube channel again. What the hell यार, शॉप ही बंद है. Excuse me uncle, शॉप बंद है. Sorry, shop was closed, but I've got a great idea. आज मैं मम्मी से कुछ अच्छा खाने बनवाऊंगी and that will be our party. Lockdown party. Anyways, next part is for the speeches. I have to write a speech for it, and I'm gonna give a speech on my farewell, on my home farewell. अब बस यार बहुत हो गया, बहुत तैयारियां हो गई. हमारा सत्यानाश ही होता है, हमें कुछ करना आता ही नहीं है. So let's get ready for the farewell. Now I'm gonna wear my sari. I'm so excited to wear a sari. Like I love to wear saris. Okay, I wanna look like a lady. So I'm probably gonna just do my makeup, which I don't. I even don't know how to do my makeup, but I will try this one. Okay, I always try my best in doing my makeup. You can't judge me in that. So I will just probably go and get ready now. I got done with my makeup. How's it looking? और अब मुझे साड़ी पहननी है. मेरे को साड़ी पहनने में मेरी हेल्प मेरी मम्मी करवाएंगी obviously because I don't know how to wear a sari. Mommy, you gonna help me wear a sari?
Help me.
Tell me yes.
Yes.
Good girl. Mom vlog? Thank you. Mom photograph? Oh yeah, sure. Mom awesome.
संभल में संभल
Hi. Mom star. Oh, thank you. Ma'am, would you like some photos? Yeah, you can. Mom, take my photograph. Mom, थोड़ा नीचे. No, ma'am, थोड़ा सा ऊपर. Ma'am, थोड़ा सा साइड.
जब सा ये दंगल
अरे मैम ऐसे नहीं.
दीवार से हुई सब हिट
मैम आप क्या कर रही हो? मैम बस हो गया आपका. Thank you. Hey guys, I reached my favorite location today. Let's meet my friends. Imagine here is a friend. Hi Ashika. Hi Vibhuti. And here is Nandini. Nandini say hi. Hello vlog. Hello people. So bachcha log, welcome to our 13th farewell of 13th batch. Clapping. Class 12, we are really very glad to have you all here. And we are very emotional that you are leaving this school. Thank God you are leaving this school. But anyways, you students are the best student because you got graduated from our school. The greatest school, the best school of this whole universe. Now I would invite the dancers of a school from class 11. Disco Divane. Aha, dup chick, aha, dup chick, disco Divane. Aha, dup chick, aha, dup chick, अशीली है ना, तो हाथों में हाँ, नाचेगा ऐसा. Now here we go for a very emotional song. I'm damn sure you all gonna cry. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. Now I request class 11th and 12th students to come up on the stage, and class 12 students will give candles to class 11 students as they're passing on their responsibilities on them. अब से हमारी क्लास 12 का जिम्मा तुम्हारे ऊपर. 11th क्लास जीते रहो. For me, school was equals to friends. I was the type of person who used to go school if their friends are going. अगर उनको बुखार होता था तो मेरे सिर में दर्द. And I can't breathe in school without them. And to be honest, I never studied in school. मैं तो रियलिटी इमोशनल हो रही हूँ. I used to always look for chances to always irritate them or always used to punch them. उनको बस पूरा टाइम मारने और हंसाने का मन करता था. And the worst part is that I haven't got the last days of my school with my friends. But I would not lie, during this pandemic situation as well, we used to bunk our online classes, used to all time Instagram or WhatsApp each other weird memes. It was very fun part of my life. And for me, my friends, my close friends and my best friends and my YouTube fam are very close to my heart. So thank you for always motivating me and supporting me. You guys really mean a lot to me. That is all I wanna say in this speech. Thank you, especially to my friends. If you're watching this, I love you guys so much. Really, you mean a lot to me. Okay? Thank you. So that is the ending of this whole program. Go enjoy with your friends, have fun with them, click photographs with them, drink, no drink with them. Just have fun. Bye bye class 12. Finally तुमसे छुटकारा मिला. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what else do we do in farewell because मैं कभी गई नहीं हूँ, but इतने मेरे एक्सपीरियंस था जितना मैंने सुना था कि ऐसे ऐसे फेयरवेल में होता है, वो मैंने आई गेस जो स्पेशली जो चीज़ें मुझे करनी थी ना वो सब मैंने कर लिया. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So that is all I wanna do for this video and I really enjoyed making it. This video was totally for myself because I wanted to make my farewell desperately. So that is all I got for you today. If you liked my this video then don't forget to like it. और तुम अपना कोई भी incident farewell का share कर सकते हो because you would have also got very emotional during this time. It is very emotional to be honest. So I'm back on my YouTube channel. तो मेरे channel को subscribe करके जाना and click that bell button. Obviously don't forget that. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ta!